Outside. Was.
Boom. Welcome people. You don't know this shit 876 representing for 876Muzik. Yeah man, we have a new interview with iMiJE. Yeah man, Jamaican rapper artist, you see me? Yeah man. So first time we're there, yeah man, new Vineyard Music Studio. In a Vineyard town there, you see me? Yeah man, right now they're half a tree. Yeah man, you don't know the things. Setting, you know, with them on the video shoot, ketamine, you see me? So you do an interview with him, you just check out the interview and see what I'm going to stay tuned. Boom.
In a straight jeans and my clocks, crisp blast it, the thing loud, you know need glasses. Action, gun up on my belly and a passion. The type of nigga pull up, touch a girl with a passion. But even if I say I word, my style am everlasting. Teach them like a class thing, that's right, that fasting. Crocodile on the ground, lit classic. The phone ringing up the
hand on the wheel, foot on them neck like a Melchizedek. My sharp like a bush bucker. My gun for my go shot, man I look back. My tech for my time, tech for my little time. I'm origin design and my skin a scratch. Darky packs, fuck him in a talkie pack. Talkie chute, touch him in a panty pack. Talkie chute, poppy up the party pack. She pop the pill, me tell her take half of that. Heart a claps, girl I catch heart attack. When them say we champos, everything. Been a pick, been a choose, been a play. Come and do like clothes. 17, strap down like shoes. Spread up the place, but them.
Hopeful. What gonna iMiJE?
Outside in my bro.
Man, as I respect you, don't know the things that you see me.
Yeah.
So you know, say you might ask you a couple questions. I don't know 876Muzik, you see me? Representing, you see me? So, I get the name iMiJE.
Alright, cool man. Alright, this iMiJE now is a name.
Basically, how it arrived.
Alright. That's the name we basically get from a female. It's a girl.
Straight.
Yeah, it's a girl usually. Come around and she said, I have a rapper iMiJE. So my name I have to pronounce it. It's my first name, my real name. So she go for call me rapper. I want the rapper iMiJE. So I stick around the cookie.
Straight,
yeah.
Oh, Zine. So, basically, I'm gonna ask you another one. Say, yo, where you come from, and you see me, what the team you represent. You see me, I don't know, say, Jamaica will represent me there, you see me? Yeah, 876.
Right. Yes, I come from 876, which is Jamaica. But I actually represent Kingston 6 right now. Uptown, one uptown. With the original Spain Town Retail, 55 Lakeland Drive, Unified.
Spain Town where the guns grow. Yes, I just said the thing set, you see me? Spanish Town mean, you know? Yeah, same catch. So basically tell me some of the recent projects that I deal with now. You see me, so we work with from 2021 following up to 2022 yeah.
Well, right now we have a thing we're working on called Faragama. That's the newest project I'm actually working on. Transition. Yeah, transition. So from last year we released a project Outside.
Just turn up the sound, we bought the vibe outside.
And release another one since here. Ketamine out now.
Ketamine, yeah. Push it to the limit. Let's see who make it to the finish.
Check out the merchandise and all them stuff there, is it me? iMiJE, is it me? You see? Red Black Entertainment. So iMiJE, man, we kind of come out of the box room and ask you a question, say, yo, what type of music are your favorite music? You see me?
Yeah.
Jazz, hip hop, R&B, you see me? Yeah. Dancehall, reggae. What your type of music? Yeah.
Alright, to be honest, my favorite genre of music is actually
hip hop. It's a Jamaican. Streets. Hip hop in Jamaica, you don't know. And I represent.
Usually call me the rapper because of that. Not to say I don't like dancehall, I don't love dancehall. Dancehall is my love, you know. But one of my first love is hip hop. You know? So artists like Tupac, some of the nowadays artists.
They say
Wayne.
Yeah, Little Wayne. Okay.
You know what I was nowadays artists, I talk about artists like Fivio Foreign, 22 G's.
See.
You know? I'm with the kind of spitter still. Like core days and then people that usually.
Mad. You know, so I go on for ask you now, some follow up in that now. Like, where first like music where you get introduced to say yo, Jamo Star me buy an album.
Right.
But
You know my first day, music I buy with my own money was a Tupac. A record
God, no.
called, record called Tupac Resurrection.
Yo, Resurrection sick in the charge.
Real talk.
God no, you know.
Pay my money and buy
You know,
that.
say yo, but the rate one DJ and I hear I listen to some rapper. And I say yo, I listen rapping and I check out the music when I listen and I realize that Tupac. I take out the album out of the CD player. To look where the album name and it was Resurrection. Resurrection sick.
Classic.
Sick.
Classic posthumous album from the great Tupac, you know?
See.
Of course. One of my idol like.
Alright, I ask you a question now. Name a few producers I work with right now or I work with from before, you see me? Because I know say the catalog large, you see me? Yeah, why I know you do music.
Producers include Great, Not Nice. But you know, say home team there, Red Black, T-Dot.
Straight up.
Right? One of the greatest in the pipeline we have right now work with. Work with the likes of Black Rhino and much more. So them one day really are give us strong strength from a long time. When we talk about producers like Focus, work with producers like Massey the Creator.
See you.
You
Big
know,
up Massey.
yeah, big up Massey. Yeah, I work with a couple other names as well, but those are some of the more main ones I'm focused by right now.
See you. So yo, right now, John was start making a draw for some song. You see me? Yeah, but I draw for the catalog man. Yo, people wanna listen up for what I go on, you see me? So, your song name Beautiful. Your song name Loving That One. Song name Ranking. As they said last year with the song name Outside.
Turn up the sound, we buck the vibe outside. We
Run it back.
run it back.
One star. Song name Breaking.
Every mind, niggas.
Big up to them brother there, you see me?
That's right. Well,
Yo, which one of them song there are
big up
out of
yourself.
them song there what me a name so far?
Yeah.
Them song there, which one of them you rate and like and yo when you
Flavor.
perform it, you see me, you
Yeah.
feel the energy.
Yeah,
You see me?
yeah.
And when people hear it, them give them feedback.
Alright. I'm not
You see me?
telling a lie still.
Yeah, but no say you are the writer and you see me, you know, you compose the music and thing and but tell me how the feedback go on. How you preach from your angle.
Your name and learn
Personal.
about your music still. You never really stay one place in a
That
career.
is star,
still.
beautiful,
is
loving
good.
that out, old school, you see me?
good,
They
you
become
see me?
new school again, you see me?
Actually
Outside.
call my favorite, them
Yeah.
Rankings are one of my personal favorites.
See.
We got Great shop rankings,
Mhm.
yeah.
Ranking.
But outside right now is just a new, better, fresh air. Most people listening, that give me the best feedback from people. So right now, my personal favorite is the rankings, but outside I enjoy that because people them enjoy it.
Straight.
I enjoy seeing people enjoy it. There's a
A
certain
breath of fresh
feeling
air, you see
you
me?
get, yeah, when somebody
Still-
enjoy shit.
Still the same old you image, but just with some new flavor.
Yeah.
You see me?
Right.
Yeah, I'm not lie, I like it, you see me? And Channel Star, I give you some visual.
Yes.
Yeah man, you see me?
Yes.
And I like back in the day, you see me, I know say yo, them visual them important and
Right
yo,
now,
them
that's
make
a
the
game
thing
changer.
highlight, yo,
Right.
God no,
Yeah,
look good, you see me?
Yeah. I step up there, man. We like all the fans that support, you know. I want them can keep on supporting Instagram, image _ uptown online. You can support me, Shotty at Shotty48, SHOTTI 48 on Twitter, on Instagram.
Advertisement out,
You know,
drop the ad, you see me?
image IMIJE
Image.
on YouTube. Can go check out the video them right now.
See
One
me?
run the video them.
Yeah, man say my rep for red black lyric, you see me?
No style.
876, we're there, you see me?
Out here.
Yeah. So right now, who would I like to work with in iMiJE? Even though I work with a couple people right now,
Yeah.
you see me? Say, Jano Star, I do a song with Al Sharpa. You see me?
Definitely.
Them man they bomba the
Definitely.
song with international rapper. You see me? As a
That's
Jamaican
about right.
rapper
It's not
collaborating with other. You see me?
When you call a name like Sean Paul, it's a
Yeah.
shot.
Yeah, them man they have trademark, but at the same
Shot.
time, as me say, them do songs out the road already with familiar, you see me, genre where you there in hip hop, you see me?
But me I try to show you a flex. That is correct. Even though that is so, my reasons for making and wanting to do a song with them don't have nothing to do with the facts that they made it to that level.
Oh, true, it's natural. It become
In
natural.
fact, it have everything to do with it because they made it so far from yard to some aspect where they're Jamaican like we, and they make it so far so it's a homage.
Straight up.
Any one of them. Right now, my respect go to all artists right now, without you know, from them I do it. One way to make I hit the right way. There's not two ways, not three ways. So from them out there do it, full respect to them and willing to work with them, man. It's fully right.
Even though you know name a few of them, just you see like one. Tell me one of them what you would have put in a year.
Rate out this right now.
Yeah.
Right now, no sir, those government dog. Ink boy out there right now.
Bombo
Don't
class.
take the places.
Ink 45.
Yeah.
Ja.
In a
Yes,
year.
right. Yeah, man. Yes,
Yeah, man.
Ink 45, you see me?
Yeah,
You
man.
don't know. You see me? Big up on
I
yourself.
don't know one uptown, you see me? Newland, big up on yourself. Prince, big up yourself, you see me? One good call.
Yo, you know, say, yo, but I want you to tell me a few stage shows where you go on, where you shell down.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
You get good feedback,
Yeah.
you see me?
Yeah.
I don't say a Corona time still, but we can talk about some of the stage show them we did from before.
Alright.
Maybe we'll
Watch
have
me
one
now.
up in the future.
Yeah, look on YouTube, I do this from my 13.
Straight up.
So,
13 years old.
yeah, when me at 13, I'm going
Hear
to
that?
book, I know. I cut my own CD, then I go to Black Scorpio, great Jack Scorpio, give me my first chance to record, by the way, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Cut it on 8 and that. We cut it on them time the that and 8 and run 8 track and that.
Straight.
But the big 8 track we have a little small that cassette. Those who out there would know what I talk about, you see me? Yeah, when the great cartel there 100 lane and shooting video with it as a young
Yo.
pass up my CD. I burn about 80 CD and sell about 30 of them. 5 bills a pop. 3 bills a pop. The late great Ramon Dorizio is a responsible artist like Massacre and them out there. And my lineage and category class we come in the same age, you see me? Same link, so what? That's what I said I say. We tear down stage from I fly out and I tear down stage. Some of my stage include places outside of Jamaica, you have California. We have a platform and a pay attention platform.
Pay attention, straight up.
You get me? But really and truly, me also a youth that do this from so young where I was in a troop as well.
One of the time, them think I say one like hip hop on the roof or something like so.
Yeah, that was a good show.
Yeah. Smite Dan, big up on yourself.
Smite Dan, big up yourself.
Yeah,
so that includes some of the shows. And we also went up to where the place name so no. I want to. Mobile
Straight.
Mobile was a good look, big up Skyline and Molly them and them that you don't know West End, you see me? Right? Big up yourself, Shane, Set Speed, you don't know. You see me? Basil, big up yourself, you see me? But what I want to say is Skyline.
Skyline.
That was a very good
performance
show,
of Skyline. Straight up.
Different people, I tell you some say, yo, don't run away from doing these things early. Instead of that, and I look for the work and get yourself up in a thing. You can involve yourself in the arts. Yo, involve the youth them instead of having them up and down. Involve the youth them in like meaningful activities. You know, these little clubs as per se. Because before we go foreign and everything.
Straight up.
Because we get the youth them and them things from
early. You see me? Acting and all them things.
Usually pack out little theatre name for that man. Back to back night. Every year in the pen town.
So, you see me? As I say, you rule the red black team. You see me for quite a while now. So, but I want to ask, what are the future plans? You see me? What are the plans for the next 6 months? You see me? Yeah.
Straight trends, man.
We're going to start off the year.
Yeah.
Banging, you see me? Yes, I, you see me?
I work out the farm.
Big up red black, you see me? Yes, I.
Every
Big up
time.
tea that you don't know. Yes,
Every
I.
time. I work on a formula, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Find the formula, just wash, rinse, repeat. That's what we're saying we're doing for the next 6 months. So we'll start it out and so we'll do something right. So we're just going to continue. Get out all the things that we need to get out and straighten everything we need to straighten, tighten up. Next 5 months or 1 month into it already. Next 5 months I'm murder man as they used to say.
The fire, aya. Fully red, is him. Yes, man. Fully red as him say. Well active out there, you see me?
Videos, performance, you can look for more
See
pictures.
there? No mask, not right now, you see
Right.
me? Yes, I
No
know,
mask,
outside, you see
no,
me?
Instagram.
But still I did the thing properly still enough,
Images
you know?
underscore
Yeah, man,
uptown.
safety, you see me? More life, more prosperity, but you
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. So, next question I want to ask you, the final question for now still, you see me? I'd like to know some people who you like for, you see me? Big up. Shout outs to them for no say, yo, homage, respect, you see me? Yeah. Do
Don't
the
know.
thing, them man, you see me?
One big
And you
up
don't
mommy.
know. Ah,
First thing off,
straight up,
mommy
straight up.
dears.
Yeah.
You know, make mommy proud. You know,
Make
so it's
mommy
around the first
proud.
interview. She probably would have seen me come and try not to smoke and juicy. You know, the right way. No, fully honestly. I want to big up my mother. She's my number one fan.
Straight.
I want to big up the fans, them, each and every one of the people that want to watch this right now. You more and big up before you even, you know what I mean? I'm big up my fans. Because them keep them going and give a lot of strength. You know, the 1 and 2, 3 of them love on the ground, man, proud, but you don't know. Man like Tida, man like Russian, you see me? Man like yourself.
Manners, you see me?
Flow them,
876
OG.
Music credit.
876Muzik, subscribe right now. Yeah, that follow on Instagram, all these things. You see
All
me?
these things.
As I said, Flow, OJ. All I don't know now to remember, you don't know Sharky and Dale, all 100 games in Uptown. You don't know Casper, Wolfpack. Right, you see me?
Right, let's say it there, you see me? Yes, sir.
I'm a Merle Shop.
Everywhere, everybody, even though some of them kind of, I
Yeah,
remember right there now,
Yeah.
you see me? What's big up yourself, Ras manners
Fully.
and respect, you see me?
fully.
Hopeful.
Yalla was the great. I don't know, Talman, cheer party, then I'm told, big up yourself.
Hopefully the people them love this I want to start, you see me? So, but I want you to
Straight
end it
up.
with a bang. Acapella, galapella.
Yeah. No better than never. We touch upon the time on our own feet cheddar. The weed in my lungs are clean and dread up. You looking at my face, see stress, man, fed up. Man, I look friend, man, on feet cheddar. I for move smart, move wise, move clever. I for take risks, no better than never. Enough, no fight, no prayer, man, send up. Time get dark when I soft like jello. And see that man on feet cheddar. Man want compound, you roach out bella. Direct deposit, money run bank teller. You not talk money pon the call, let me hang up. Yeah, 'cause right now, man, all man, friend up. And Billy Ganja, hot lava make it bled up at the set. Endeavor in any damn weather. Tell me youth, anything she do for smart and clever. Boom! No, but I never, you know.
See it there? 876 Music, we're there, you see me? Representing Image, you see me?
No.
There, Bombard, Vineyard Town, you see me?
Fully.
Run it, big up yourself, you see me? Give thanks to give you a Bombard opportunity to use the space. T that, big up
Big
yourself.
up yourself, Ronnie. Ras.
Yo, Charge, big up yourself. We out,
Please.
vibes in.
I know y'all watch 876Muzik, don't. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share up. You know it's that. Fully red. Garagama, ice water, Garapa Matata. You know it's that.
I wanna have to find it. Is it? Jack. Nah, boss. Outside. Death.